I can guide you in preparing smoked chicken wings and tabouleh, a fresh and fragrant Middle Eastern salad. For an Italian twist, you might consider using herbs like basil or mint instead of parsley in the tabouleh. Here's how to do it. Smoked chicken wings. Ingredients: 1 kilogram of chicken wings, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, salt and pepper to taste. Smoker or grill with a lid and wood for smoking. Preparation: in a bowl, combine the paprika, garlic, and onion powder, salt, and pepper. Add the oil and mix well to create a marinade. Coat the chicken wings with the marinade and let them rest for at least 30 minutes, if possible, a couple of hours. Prepare your smoker or grill for indirect cooking and bring to a temperature of about 120 to 130 degrees Celsius. If using a grill, you can place a piece of wood among the coals to generate smoke. Place the chicken wings on the part of the grill not directly above the heat source. Close the lid and let them smoke for about 1.5 to 2 hours, or until they are cooked and have a nice external crust. Check occasionally to make sure the temperature remains constant and that there is always smoke. Tabouleh. Ingredients: 200 grams of bulgur, 1 bunch of fresh parsley, finely chopped, 4 tomatoes, diced, 1 cucumber, diced, 2 spring onions, thinly sliced, juice of 1 lemon, 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Preparation: prepare the bulgur according to the instructions on the package. Usually it is soaked in boiling water for about 15-20 minutes. Drain the bulgur and let it cool. Then, in a large bowl, mix the bulgur with the parsley, tomatoes, cucumber, and spring onions. Dress with lemon juice, extra virgin olive oil, salt, and pepper. Mix well and let the tabouleh rest for at least 30 minutes before serving to allow all the flavors to blend. Tips for serving: you could serve the smoked chicken wings accompanied by the fresh tabouleh on the side. This dish offers a balance between the rich, smoky flavor of the chicken and the tangy freshness of the tabouleh. If you want an even more Italian note, sprinkle the tabouleh with grated pecorino cheese before serving.